Hey, what's your name?
My name is Olly, but only my friends call me that.
Oh, really? How old are you then?
I'm 26, but I look 20 on weekends.
Nice. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. Kangaroos say hi.
And where do you live?
In Sydney, where the traffic never sleeps.
Are you married?
Nope, still single and shining.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach, kids scream, balance.
Any brothers or sisters?
Yup, one brother, one sister, full combo pack.
Do you live alone?
No, with my family. Free food equals happy life.
What's your favorite color?
Blue, like the sky and my mood on Mondays.
Favorite food?
Pizza, my soulmate.
What time do you wake up?
7 a.m., mentally at 10.
What do you do in the morning?
Wash my face and eat breakfast, in that order, mostly.
Coffee or tea?
Tea. Coffee scares me.
How do you go to work?
By bus, with strangers who all look half asleep.
When do you finish work?
5 p.m., sharp. I run out like I'm in the Olympics.
What do you do after work?
Rest, or watch TV like it's a full-time job.
What time do you sleep?
11 p.m., except when YouTube says one more video.
What's the weather like today?
Sunny and warm, like overconfident weather.
Do you like rain?
Love it, my free background music.
Cold in winter?
Yes, very. I turn into a penguin.
Where do you live?
In an apartment, cute, like me.
Big or small?
Small but comfortable, like small samosas.
Who cleans the house?
Me and my mom. She cleans, I help.
Do you like spicy food?
A little. I like staying alive.
Can you cook?
Yes, and sometimes it's even edible.
Favorite dish?
Pasta, my comfort bestie.
Like fast food?
Sometimes, depends on my guilt level.
Favorite fruit?
Apples and bananas. Simple girl.
What are you wearing today?
Jeans and a t-shirt, comfortable but cute.
Favorite color to wear?
Black, hides all problems.
Are you a student?
Yep,
What do you study?
English, trying to sound smarter.
Who is your best friend?
Sarah, she steals my fries, but I still love her.
Do you trust your friends?
Yes, unless they touch my food.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, and slightly hungry.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very. I ate pizza.
What makes you sad?
When people lie or when my snacks finish.
Have you ever been abroad?
No, but my dreams travel daily.
Which country do you want to visit?
Japan. Sushi, anime, peace. Perfect.
Do you use social media?
Yes, too much. It's a hobby now.
Do you like YouTube?
Love it. My second home.
Favorite movie?
Frozen. Yes, I sing Let It Go.
Do you read books?
Yes, Harry Potter forever.
Do you exercise?
Yes, kinda.
Do you sleep well?
Moving from bed counts, right? Usually, unless my brain says, think.